Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix Minecraft Launcher is not opening. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, write run, and then you need to write %, like this. Then you should see .minecraft folder, so drag it to your desktop. Super important folder, it will be stored your worlds, your saves, and any important data, so do not delete this file, just drag it to your desktop, alright? Then what you need to do here is to go to installed apps. On install apps, you need to look for Minecraft Launcher, right? Minecraft Launcher, press uninstall it, right? And wait until installation process is done. Then open up Microsoft Store and then look for Minecraft Launcher. So on search, you can just look for Minecraft Launcher here and then press install and wait until installation process is done here. After it's installed, just open and Minecraft Launcher will update your files. And then you need to sign in with your account. So I will do that quickly. Now, as you can see, Minecraft Launcher is working. If for some reason it's not working, then what I suggest to do here is to restart your PC. And then what you need to do here is to put your all the maps and your saves back. So you just need to write run, write %update %. And then here it will be new.minecraft launcher here. And then you just need to just replace with this one, okay? Replace. Okay. Try again. And now, as you can see, my mods is here and it's fully working. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe more.